All right, so last night I wanted to show you how to do this wave thing, and I had a little bit of trouble doing it. So I was a little bit tired. Now I am going to demonstrate it for you, and hopefully I'll get it right this time, and you can see how it's done. So as you can see here, I got these images, and this is where I'm going with it. So to start this off, I'm going to go to the File menu, and I'm going to go down to Scripts, and I'm going to go Load File into Stack. And I get my Load Layers dialog box. And use Files is what I want selected. I click Browse. And I go into my Lake Tahoe Shore folder where I have my images. And I'm going to do 20. So I'm going to go Shift 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and hit OK. And then I'm going to hit OK again. And what happens is this. My images are being fed into my layers panel, and you can see they're still being fed in. There. And what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to go create frame animation. There's two choices here: create video timeline, create frame animation. I'm choosing create frame animation, and I'm going to click it. And then I get this. What I do is I come over here to my drop-down menu, click on that, and I'm going to go make frames from layers. Click on that. And there are my frames. So now if you watch here, I can click on this and I can play it, and there's my little animation. Okay? So now that I have this done, what I want to do is I want to export this as an MP4 file. So to do that, I'm going to go to the File menu, and I'm going to go to Export, and I'm going to go down to Render Video. And I'm waiting, and it's going to be called Waves MP4. See it up here? Waves, W-A-V-E-S, Waves MP4. Select the folder. I'm going to just go to my desktop with this. Let's go to my desktop. Hit OK. Format, high quality, size 400 by 800. Frame rate 30 frames per second. I'm going to leave all this just as it is right now, and I'm going to hit render. And it might already be rendered. So let me close this up, and here it is. There's the video. And that's the video that I brought in to show you how to go ahead and do the... Here we go. There it is. See it? All right. I didn't loop it, so it's not going to loop, but you'll see that's how that video goes. I wonder if I can loop it here. Let me see here. Repeat. Here we go. Okay, now let's try it now with the repeat. There you go. Okay. It's not as good as if I were to loop this thing, if I came back in here and looped it. So anyway, that's it. That's what I wanted to show you last night and messed up. So I thought maybe you'd like to see that. And the other thing too is, if you would like, I'm going to create a folder with this link to this video, so that if you want to go in and actually try doing this yourself, you can actually go ahead and do that. Thank you very much.